So what does your long-term care insurance policy cover? I'm going to speak more in generalities on this slide because every policy can be a little bit different. The costs and the benefits are going to differ based on when you bought the policy, how much coverage you wanted, and any optional benefits such as an inflation rider, death benefit, or spouse coverage. Each policy can cover different types of long-term care. So for example, some cover both home-based care and community-based care, while others only cover home-based care or only cover community-based care. And in some cases, where a policy has been written to cover only community-based care, you might find that you can work with the long-term care insurance provider to show them that the cost will actually be lower if you stay at home and receive care there. So the costs or the premiums, as well as the benefits of your long-term care insurance policy, are based on how old you are when you purchase the policy, the maximum amount the policy will pay, and any other additional or optional benefits that you choose, such as the inflation rider that we spoke of previously. To be eligible to open a claim against the policy, in most cases you want to or you must require either substantial assistance with at least 2 of the 6 ADLs recognized by long-term care insurance companies, and those are eating, bathing, dressing, toileting, continence care, and transferring, or substantial supervision to protect yourself from threats to health and safety due to cognitive impairment. So for example, what would be included under cognitive impairment are Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. So one thing that is important here is the use of the word or. You're either eligible based on requiring assistance with 2 of the 6 ADLs, or you require substantial supervision due to your cognitive impairment. It is not both. So I'm making an important distinction here. It's one or the other. Either you require assistance with 2 of the 6 ADLs, or there's a cognitive impairment. Now, if you're activating a claim based on a cognitive impairment, here's something to consider. If, for example, your loved one cannot stay home safely by his or herself while you go out and run errands, well, that's likely going to be an appropriate situation to activate a claim. Also, I want to point out that you want to be honest when the assessment is done in terms of when you have filed your claim. So one mistake that I see sometimes is that individuals let pride stand in the way of them receiving the care that they need. For example, a person who needs help, even if that help is just someone standing by when they are bathing so they don't fall, that person may tell the insurance company, hey, I can bathe on my own, right? Or another example is a person that can do most of their dressing, and I'm talking about putting on their clothes. They can do that by themselves, but still need some assistance. So, for example, putting on their socks. And that is a part of dressing that needs to be considered. So my point is, don't let pride get in the way of, getting your claim approved. We oftentimes here at this agency can be available for our clients in person during an assessment by the insurance company to help advocate for them. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you watch the next video as we continue this discussion about long-term care insurance policies.